Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, Microsoft has issued yesterday with what they call the preview update. Preview updates are bug fixes and new features being rolled out at the end of each month. And this is the time where they released the preview updates yesterday for Windows 11. One interesting aspect of that update is that it finally did bring back the new start menu that I had lost when I removed myself from the Insider program. I could not, I was back with the whole start menu and didn't have the new one for a long time now. Well, finally it's there. So that new start menu with the category view and the different options that you have where you can change the layout is now back on this computer, which I'm happy, as I was really annoyed that it had rolled back to the old start menu when I got out of the Insider rings. And of course, the update that the preview update brings is the KB508 9573, and this also apparently brings improvement in performance. Microsoft says that with this update, when you get it, if you get it now or when you get it with Patch Tuesday in the month of June, you are supposed to have improved app startup. Apps should be faster to start. The start menu also should behave better. And even the core Windows 11 operating system should be faster. It's not really yet what they call the low latency profile, but it is improvements that they are tweaking in the operating system. So maybe you'll see a difference. I can't say I'm seeing a difference, but maybe there is, and it's supposed to be rolling out with this. So a few little things like that are in here, which is kind of interesting. Lots of little things here and there that they've added also. If you have multiple Bluetooth devices connected, you will have a ability to share audio through the panel, the quick access panel, with two Bluetooth devices. So for example, if you and somebody else wants to listen to the same music or watch the same movie in with Bluetooth speakers or earphones that you each have, you can now share the audio with two Bluetooth devices at the same time. So there's a few things like that they've added. More to come. I'm actually examining the list and checking out some of the details on my Windows operating system, but nice to have the new start menu back for me. I kind of enjoyed this. So if you have these new features, well, you can check them out. Of course, once again, this is a preview update. You can wait until Patch Tuesday for them to be installed, as they could harbor problems. It happened in the past. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.